Testing, using this microphone. Testing, using the mic. Testing, using this mic right here. As you can see, the green light is on. So that green light there is the indicator that it has been connected. You can watch me to, like we said, push the button here, turn it on, and look how fast these pair. These pair very fast. They turn off and on very fast, and watch how quick they pair, right? That fast. You see it went from red to green in no time. Okay, so we're trying to see. I am getting a little feedback here or there. I switched around the adapter piece in my phone. That did make a little bit of a difference, so I'm not getting that feedback as much. So I'm trying different times as much as possible. As you can see, I'm not really moving the mic much, but let's see if this video on the playback for me, if it has any scratching sounds to it. Okay, so we're using the microphone here, testing. We're using this microphone here. Just holding it in my hand. It's not clipped on to me. Let's see if I clip it on. Probably heard some feedback, maybe, possibly why I clipped it on. But right now, my microphone is clipped onto my shirt. So let's see how it sounds. I'm going to do a little bit of moving here to see if we get any feedback like I was getting before. So I am just talking regular monotone voice, you guys, here. But let's see what it actually sounds like. So I don't know. One thing I can see is that these do Bluetooth connect to the main monitor piece fast. It's simple piece that you, like I said, you can just click it right into your Android phone, plug in and go. No need to download any extra apps or anything. Only thing I am hearing is, like I say, that little bit of feedback here or there. Like right now, I think you guys might not be hearing any feedback with them. The one thing that I do like about them is that you do come with two. You do have to charge these up, like we talked about earlier with using a Type-C adapter. They do have to be charged, as well as the monitoring piece that goes into your phone or whatever device you're trying to use to record the output to, or to have the speakers microphone pick up to have as the output speakers. You do have to also charge that device, as we said earlier. I'm just trying to talk a little bit just to test out the microphone, just to see if we're going to get any of that feedback or not. As you could see, when it was clamped onto my chest, we were getting some of that feedback. So again, if you're not maybe doing too much moving, you might not get that feedback or that scratching sound, because that would be very, very annoying to be doing like a vlog or a sit down interview. And you're not listening to the audio as you're recording, and then to go back and to try to edit your video or be prepared to do some editing on that video, and then all of a sudden you hear all this scratching noises and things like that. I would be teed off, y'all. So again, if you're looking to try to purchase these microphones, you can check down in the description down below. I will leave an actual link to get these microphones right here. Okay, so I think I might use these more for like doing like live recordings, just so that way if I'm recording right away, maybe my audience can let me know if it's starting to be too much static or scratching or not. So if I'm out doing like some live YouTube videos or live TikToks or live Facebook videos, I would use these microphones for something like that. Or if I had like a co-host or someone else that I was filming with, I think I would use these for one of those types of lives. Or if I was on the go doing like a TikTok live out and about, or a YouTube live out and about, I would use these just where there may be extra sounds going on, or I might not care about the noise as much. Well, I would care about the noise, but it might not affect it as much, versus if I'm trying to capture some information that needs to be captured, it can't be repeated once you're going back on the editing floor. So again, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, let me know what you guys think. And just for the money and the amount that I paid for them, I said these will still be worth it for doing lives and stuff. All right, you guys, peace.